Being a student in the USA doesn't mean you have to wait until graduation to start earning real money. Today, smart students are building $10,000 plus income a year using simple, modern, and beginner-friendly methods without needing experience, advanced skills, or large investments. This video will show you exactly how you can start earning today, even with a busy student schedule. 1. Freelancing with AI. The fastest way to start, $500 to $2,000 per month. You don't need any technical skills. AI does 70% of the work, you do the rest. What you can offer: resume writing, ChatGPT, Canva social media designs, video editing, CapCut templates, blog writing, thumbnail designing, PowerPoint/assignment formatting. Best platforms in the USA: Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, LinkedIn services. Why it works? Companies in the USA want cheap, fast, and consistent content. As a student, you can easily deliver that and earn hundreds of dollars every week. 2. Selling digital products. Passive income while you sleep. Create one sell, unlimited times fully passive money. High-demand digital products in the USA. Study notes, budget planners, resume templates, Notion templates, digital journals, motivational wallpapers, productivity trackers. Best platforms: Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip. Income potential: $10, $30 per sale. Even 20 sales/day, $200 to $600 per day, $6,000 to $15,000 per month. This method alone can help students reach the $10,000 goal fast. YouTube, faceless channels. Zero experience needed. You don't need to show your face or record your voice. Popular US niches: finance explainers, IX, celebrity facts, motivational videos, viral TikTok compilations, study tips, tools you need: ChatGPT, script, Pexels/Pixabay, footage, CapCut/Canva, editing, 11 Labs, voiceover. Earnings: ads plus affiliate plus paid promotions. Even a small channel can make $300 to $1,000 per month. 4. Social media management for local U.S. businesses. Small American businesses need social media help. You can manage Instagram posts, weekly reels, ads banners, Facebook page updates. Charge $100 to $300 per month per business. Take 5 clients, $500 to $1,500 per month. Perfect for students. 5. Affiliate marketing. Recommend and earn. You don't sell anything, just recommend products. Best USA affiliate programs: Amazon Associates, Walmart, Best Buy, Target, Coinbase, Skillshare, Coursera. Where to promote: TikTok, IG Reels, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, Facebook groups. Income: one viral reel can easily earn you $100 to $500 in a single day. 6. Online tutoring. High demand in USA. If you're good at any subject, earn money from it. High demand subjects in USA: math, English grammar, science, coding basics, essay writing. Platforms: Chegg, Tutor.com, Wezant. Income: $15 to $40 per hour. Work 10 hours per week, $600 to $1,600 per month. Fire. Why these methods help students reach $10,000 fast. Heavy check mark, low effort, high earning. Heavy check mark, no investment needed. Heavy check mark, works from home or dorm. Heavy check mark, flexible hours. Heavy check mark, USA friendly platforms. Heavy check mark, complete beginner friendly. In just a few months, many students hit the $10,000 mark by combining 2 to 3 methods from above. You can do the same, starting right now. If you're a student in the USA, this is the perfect time to take action. The online world is growing faster than ever, and the opportunities are unlimited. You don't need a fancy degree, years of experience, or thousands of dollars to start. All you need is a phone, an internet connection, and a mindset to try. Whether you choose freelancing, digital products, faceless YouTube, affiliate marketing, or tutoring, every method in this video can realistically push you toward $10,000 plus a year, even with a busy academic schedule. Remember this: the earlier you start, the faster you grow. The world is moving online, and you should too. Thousands of American students are already building income streams from their dorm rooms. Now it's your turn.